Have you heard of this storage company called Silicon Power? Well, they have these drives called Xpower, and they're NVMe drives, PCIe Gen 4.0, and they claim some blazing speeds. So I'm going to install one of them in the EK Fluid Gaming Vanquish 295 to see how fast this actually is. This is a 5950X, RTX 3090, 64 gigs of RAM, and this Asus Prime X570 motherboard does have PCIe 4.0 slots for these. So let's install one and test it. Shut down the PC. Save these. You never know when you might need them. And also when you do use them, don't forget to take the little plastic part off. Just slide your butt right in there. Yeah, I love these easy clips right here. Just makes it nice and easy to install NVMe drives. Good looking drive. Power. When you install a new drive, you're not going to see it right away. You have to do something. You'll need to load up Disk Manager, and this should automatically come up saying like, hey, you have a new drive. What do you want to do? Click OK. And then I'm going to expand this. It's unallocated, 1 terabyte right there. So I'm going to right click, new simple volume, and just go through the steps. Next, next, next. It's going to be labeled E drive. And I'm going to call this Xpower and hit finish. Formatting, boom, pops up right away. And now there's a new drive. I like to use CrystalDiskMark. It's a free program. And we're going to run all. And this is the drive right here, getting hammered. And it's already starting off, not too bad. It is also an option to water cool NVMe drives, but we may not need that. So on the packaging, it says 7,300 megs per second read speed, 6,800 writes. Well, we got 6,400 reads and 5,800 writes. So not too far off, could be better. Only 6,400 megabytes per second read speeds.